is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. So this beautiful card here is from Marnie, from Keto Marnie. Thank you so much for this. It says Merry Christmas. It is just beautiful. Now, Marnie does have a YouTube channel. It's called Keto Marnie. Go check her out. I love her channel. She just started learning to do amigurumi earlier this year, and I'm so proud of her. So go check out her channel, and thank you so much, Marnie, for taking time out to send this beautiful card to me. I appreciate this very much. And this beautiful card right here, it says Christmas Blessings. This is from Evelyn, and she is from Arkansas. Go Hogs, go. Yay! So thank you so much, Evelyn, for taking your time out. Thank you for posting in my Facebook group page and the comments you leave on my videos faithfully and stuff. I appreciate that so much. So she's from my home state here, and this is just beautiful. Thank you so much for taking time out to sending this to me. Okay, and this beautiful card says Christmas Blessings, and this is from Rob and Debbie, and they are from Arizona. Thank you so much for this card, and I appreciate all the beautiful, wonderful, positive comments that you left on the inside of this card. And I like at the end where you said, you look forward to seeing what I do in 2022. Well, I do too. So anyway, so blessings to you and your family too. And thank you for taking your time out and sending this to me. I appreciate this very much. And thank you for all your faithful support. I appreciate that. Okay, so this beautiful card is from Lynette and from Ohio, and I'd like to say thank you so much for sending me this card. It is, guys, this is beautiful. It's glittery. It's just gorgeous. Thank you so much for supporting me, supporting my channel, and thank you for taking time out to send this card to me. I appreciate this very much. And I received this card today, and I thought it was so pretty, I had to share it. It's from the tax ladies. So I guess they're getting ready for us to do our taxes with them next year. But I thought that was a pretty cool Christmas card. It made me giggle when I received it and saw the word tax ladies on there. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was my husband that was going to the lockbox while I was filming, and I'm not really sure, but he volunteered to do that. I was just going to film myself walking to it, and he wanted, I guess he wanted to be in the video, so I thought that was kind of cute that it showed him opening the box for me, because a lot of times, honestly, I sit in the car and I'm crocheting while he goes in there anyway, so yeah, I thought that was really sweet of him to do that, to be part of my video, even if it was just his arm. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much for those cards. I appreciate them very much. They are beautiful. And I would like to say thank you to all of my new subscribers for stopping by. I appreciate that very much. And thank you to all of my subscribers that have been with me and showing me all the love and the support that you give me. Thank you very much for that. And I have 2 new members on my channel, and I'd like to give them a shout out. That is Jean and Kay. I appreciate that very much. I just want you to know how much that means to me, and I appreciate that very, very much. Anyone that I mentioned on those cards that had a crochet channel, guys, go check those out. They would love it. Okay, let's see. I do have a giveaway going, and it will end Monday, December the 20th. So if you didn't know that I have one going, this is what it is, a box full of yarn. Right there. So that's what we'll be giving out Monday. I'll be picking the winner Monday, December the 20th. So be sure and enter that giveaway. I will leave the link in the description box below, and go check that out. What else do I have for you guys? Oh yeah. I will try Thursday or Friday to do a whip caddy video. So if you'd like your whip caddy, which is a 3-tier cart that you buy like at Michael's or Amazon or somewhere, and it's just where you keep your little crafts and things that you're working on, your knitting projects, crochet projects, or whatever. And it's a 3-tier cart that's on wheels, and you just wheel it around from room to room. You can go to my Facebook group page. I do have Whip Caddy videos. And so anyway, I'm going to try and get that out Thursday or Friday. I'm only working on one project, so I wasn't really sure if I should even do a Whip Caddy, but, and show that off, but I will. I'm going to do that. And today, well, I am out of yarn on one of the colors, so I may have to stop working on that project today. And there was a person in my Facebook group page that had made some mittens, and I really liked that pattern that they did. And so I've already pulled out my yarn, so I think I may go ahead and try my hand at getting started on the mittens, because I can only do, I think, maybe 4 more rows in this blanket, and then I'm going to have to go to the store. And so just in case I don't get a chance to go to the store, I think I want to try my hand at those little mittens. I really like that pattern. I thought they were really pretty. Anyway, so I'm going to, maybe I'll have some mittens to show along with that blanket in the Whip Caddy video. So yeah, so anyway, back to what I was originally saying. If you would like your Whip Caddy in that video, go to my Facebook group page. It is listed below, and just take a picture of your whip cart, Whip Caddy, or whatever, and put it in, post it on my Facebook group page, and I will put it in that video. Quite a few of you guys are getting some for Christmas. I've seen that quite a bit, and early Christmas presents. Of course, anything crochet, we need it early, right? Who wants to wait? Oh yes. Okay. So I'm going to show you a little clip real quick. I joined Crochet Mail's monthly crochet kit club, and I'm so excited. Here's the package that it came in. And so I showed this, I'm going to show this to you guys and let y'all see what came in this. And I am very excited about this. Okay, so I've decided to go with Coach Mel's Crochet Corner crochet kit for a monthly subscription. I'm going to try this out, see what I think for a while. The only other crochet kit that I'm involved in at the moment is Mary Maxim Quarterly Afghan Kit. And I should be receiving it any day because they've already taken the money out of my account. So it should be on my doorstep. It would be really nice if it's this week. But yeah, so let's check out what Coach Mel's, I guess this would be the December package because that's when I got it. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's in the package. Okay, so here's what we got, and there's a nice little bow, and let's just see what all's inside this. Let me make sure this is something I can show. Okay, yeah, I probably need to show, keep this. It has a code on me. It has a code on here to join the Crochet Mail's Crochet Club private Facebook group. So I'll keep that. And it has this thing about Zoom. And yeah, so I'll keep that part separate. And here it says, Happy Holidays. Enclosed is your January kit clue. Enclosed is your January kit clue. This one may take a bit more imagination. See you in 2022. All right, so let's just see what is in here. It's a cute little package here. So here is our clue. It says 5K. 5K. Well, yeah, we have to think about that one. 5K. Yeah, I have to keep that out and think about that. Okay, so I went ahead and took the package part off, and here is what we have. Some beautiful Line Brand Heartland yarn. I've been wanting to try this yarn. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, it says Heartland handcrafted, artisan, sensationally soft, sensationally DOUCE, premium acrylic, linebrand.com. It's a medium 4-weight, 251 yards, 100% acrylic. Yeah, and guys, it is soft. Oh my gosh. So we have that one and another one. Oh, let's see. I just thought about it. I didn't say what color this is. I don't know if I saw it. There it is. Black Canyon is our color. Yes, and it is soft. Okay, and then so we have this in like a red color. And the color on this is called Redwood. But there it is. So it looks like we got 2 of these Heartlands. Yeah, I've been wanting to try this Heartland. Let me move this out of the way real quick so I don't have anything showing. What else do we have? Ooh, a pom-pom maker. I don't have one of these. I've seen these at the stores. I've always wanted to get one, but I never got around to it. So that's cool to have in here. All right. As many hats and stuff as I make, like even Sir Guards-a-Lot, yeah. That would have been good to make Sir Guards-a-Lot with. So let's see what we have in here. A blue organza bag. Okay, so I unloaded what was in the organza bag. And it says Bubble Buff 5 nail files. And I opened it up and it looks like gum. That is so adorable. Not a toy. Oh, I love it. Oh gosh, love it, love it, love it. I need that. It came with this. Lavender hand cream enriched with shea butter. It's a pretty good size too. It's heavy. Yeah, so that's nice. And we got some gloves. Not sure what the gloves are for, but hey, we all need some gloves, right? Okay, let's see if I can see what the pattern is. Okay, I can kind of show you this. There we go. That would definitely be out of my comfort zone. So that is definitely something I need to try. Because that's what I like to do. I like to step out of my comfort zone and try new things. So I will be trying this. Yeah, and I'll keep you updated on my progress of this. It says for the December 2021, it's 2 hats and a scarf. So the hats, I guess you get a black hat and a red hat. And then you get the scarf. Yeah, I'm definitely going to try that because it's something I typically would pass up only because confidence-wise, not sure whether it's something I can do or not. But since it's in my kit and I paid for it, I am going to try it. I think it's gorgeous. And yeah, that's what I'm all about. Just do it 1 stitch at a time, guys. Remember that always, 1 stitch at a time. And that's what I'm going to do when I do this. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I really am excited to try this. I will leave the link to her YouTube channel, and I will leave the link to her where you can go purchase this monthly kit. I am very excited about this one. She did put some good quality stuff in this kit. I'm thinking the price, I tell you what, I'm not 100% positive what I paid for this. I'm thinking maybe $35. But just in case I'm wrong or whatever the price is, I will put the price right down here for you guys. I'll go, when I get off this and I go and edit this video, I will go to her blog or her website where she has this and see how much they are. Because I can't remember, because I actually bought this like a month and a half ago. I joined right in between months. And so yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and read our 365 days of prayer. It says, exercise in hope. Be joyful because you have hope. Be patient when trouble comes and pray at all times. That's Romans 12:12. God, you make everything better, even waiting. Outside your influence, I grow impatient, sometimes even second-guessing good decisions when I have to wait for an answer to prayer. Truthfully, apart from you, I can barely handle a little traffic or the line at the grocery store. But with you, waiting becomes an exercise in hope. Because I trust you, I can believe in the outcome of my waiting. I know it will be for my good. I am filled with hope as I await your answer, your solution, your response to my needs, my questions, my dreams. Your promise turns impatience into expectation and waiting into joy. Are you being filled with hope as you wait for God's answer? Yes. I hope that you guys enjoyed that. I hope that that has helped you. And I appreciate you guys for leaving the comments saying how much you enjoy this segment of my videos. So I appreciate that very much. So guys, that's really all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.